Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Universal English Learners. I'm Melanie.
And I'm William. Melanie, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, a little sleepy. It's so gray and cloudy outside, and I just want to stay under my blanket.
I know that feeling. Cloudy days make me slow down too. It's strange how the weather can change our moods so much.
It really is, and that's actually a perfect introduction to today's topic. We're talking all about weather in English.
Now, some people might think, weather? That sounds boring. But actually,
It's one of the most useful topics you can learn. Why? Because everyone, everywhere, talks about the weather every single day.
exactly. It's the world's favorite small talk topic. You can talk to a stranger at a bus stop and a lift and a shop, and weather is always a safe subject.
So today, we'll learn simple words for describing weather, useful phrases, fun expressions, and how to use weather to start a friendly conversation.
Let's get started. Asking about the weather. Let's start with the most basic question. If you want to ask someone about the weather, what do you say?
The easiest way is, how's the weather? Or what's the weather like? Both mean the same thing, and both are super common.
And how do you answer? Simple. Just describe what you see.
For example, right now if I looked outside, I could say, it's cloudy, and I think it might rain later.
Nice. You gave the weather and a little prediction. That's very natural.
Your turn, William. What's the weather like where you are?
Today, it's actually warm and a bit sunny. I'm happy about that.
Of course you are. You're a sunshine person.
Guilty. Okay, everyone, let's practice. Repeat after us. How's the weather today? What's the weather like where you are? It's cloudy and it might rain later. It's sunny and warm today. Temperature words. Hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing.
Let's talk about temperature words. There's a difference between hot and warm, even though people sometimes confuse them.
Right. Warm is pleasant and comfortable. You might say it's a warm day, and that sounds nice.
But hot often means it's too much, uncomfortable, like you're sweating and you just want to jump in a pool.
Then there's cool. A little bit cold, but in a refreshing way. A cool breeze feels nice on a warm day.
Cold is when the temperature is low. You probably need a jacket.
And if it's really cold, you say freezing. Like, I'm freezing, turn on the heater.
So we have 5 key words: hot, warm, cool, cold, and freezing. Easy to remember.
Let's practice using these in sentences. Repeat after us. It's so hot today, I want some ice cream. It's a warm, pleasant evening. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea. It's cold outside, so wear a jacket. I'm freezing, can you close the window? Describing the sky. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. Now let's describe what's happening up in the sky. The most common word is sunny. The sun is out and the sky is bright.
When the sun isn't out and there are clouds covering the sky, we say it's cloudy, like today, where I am.
When water falls from the sky, it's rainy, or we simply say it's raining.
And if it's raining really, really hard?
Then we say it's pouring, like it's pouring rain out there. That means heavy rain, buckets of water.
There's also a funny expression for this. It's raining cats and dogs.
Wait, cats and dogs? Falling from the sky?
No, don't worry. No animals are involved. It just means it's raining very heavily. English can be a bit silly sometimes.
It really can. Okay, what about wind?
If there's strong air moving, we say it's windy. It's really windy today. My umbrella turned inside out.
And a gentle, soft wind is called a breeze. There's a nice breeze today. That sounds much more pleasant than windy.
Finally, snow. If it's snowing, we say it's snowing or it's snowing. When snow first falls, everything looks white, quiet, and magical.
But after a few weeks of snow, most people are ready for it to stop.
Let's practice these words together. It's a beautiful sunny day. The sky is very cloudy this afternoon. It's raining cats and dogs. It's so windy, hold on to your hat. Look, it's snowing outside. When the weather can't decide, changeable weather. You know what's annoying? When the weather changes its mind all day long. Oh, you mean sunny in the morning, rainy at lunch, and sunny again by dinner? Exactly that. It's so frustrating because you don't know what to wear or whether to bring an umbrella. There's a great expression for this. 4 seasons in one day. I love that phrase. It's perfect for describing crazy changeable weather. And we can also use the word unpredictable. It means you can't know what will happen. The weather here is so unpredictable. Great word. Let's also talk about checking the forecast. Do you check the weather every morning, Melanie? Every single day, first thing on my phone. I need to know if I should bring an umbrella or wear a jacket. Same here. You might ask, did you check the forecast, or what's the forecast for today? And the answer might be, it's supposed to rain this afternoon. Supposed to means that's what the forecast predicts, but it's not always correct. So true.
Sometimes it says sunny and then it pours rain all day. The weather changed 4 times today, 4 seasons in one day. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow. The weather here is so unpredictable. Did you check the forecast before we leave?
Let's talk about seasons. We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Quick note for learners. In American English, people often say fall instead of autumn. Both are correct, just different styles of English.
Good point. So, William, what's your favorite season?
Definitely summer. I love long days and warm weather.
Of course you do, Mr. Sunshine. For me, it's autumn. I love watching the leaves turn red, orange, and yellow. And it's not too hot, not too cold.
That does sound lovely. What about spring and winter?
Spring feels fresh. Everything is green, flowers are blooming, and it feels like the world is waking up.
And winter?
I don't mind it at first, but after a while, I get tired of the cold and the short days.
That's actually really common. There's even a term for it, seasonal mood changes, when people feel a bit low because there's less sunlight in winter.
Yes, weather really can affect how we feel. That's why it's such a relatable topic.
Let's practice real conversations.
Let's practice some real conversations. First, imagine we're meeting for coffee.
Hey, William, how are you?
I'm okay, but wow, this rain is crazy today.
I know. I got completely soaked walking here.
Did you forget your umbrella?
I had one, but the wind was so strong it turned inside out.
Oh no, that's the worst. Do you want to borrow my jacket?
That's so kind, but I'll dry off soon. Thanks, though.
See how natural that was? We talked about rain, getting wet, and the umbrella problem. All very normal topics.
William, what are you doing this weekend? I'm thinking about going to the beach. Want to come?
Sounds fun. Did you check the weather though?
Yes, it's supposed to be sunny and warm all weekend.
Perfect beach weather. I'm in. What time should we go?
Let's go early, around 9 a.m., before it gets crowded.
Sounds good. But bring sunscreen just in case. The weather can be unpredictable.
Good thinking.
See how weather naturally comes into conversations about plans? It happens all the time.
Fun weather expressions. Now let's learn some fun expressions that use weather words but mean something completely different. 1. Under the weather.
This means you're feeling sick or not well. For example, I can't come to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
2. Every cloud has a silver lining. This means even bad situations have something good hidden in them. For example, it rains on your birthday, but you say, every cloud has a silver lining. At least we got to spend time together indoors.
3. Come rain or shine. This means no matter what happens, you'll do it anyway. For example, I'll be at the meeting on Friday, come rain or shine.
4. Breaking the ice. This means starting a conversation, especially with someone new. Weather is perfect for breaking the ice because everyone has an opinion about it.
These expressions make your English sound more natural and native-like. Pick 1 or 2 and try using them this week.
Weather small talk. Breaking the ice. Let's talk about small talk. What exactly is small talk?
It's light, friendly conversation, not deep or serious, like when you're in a lift with someone you don't know.
You can't just stand there in silence. That's awkward. So you might say something like, nice day, isn't it? Or crazy weather we're having.
And the other person will usually agree and add something. I know, it's beautiful. Or, yes, so much rain lately.
And just like that, you've broken the ice and started a conversation.
Fun fact, people love complaining about extreme weather. It's so hot, I'm melting. Or, this rain won't stop, I'm so sick of it.
And even complaining helps you connect with people. Shared experiences bring people together.
Let's practice some natural responses. I'll say something and you respond and add your own comment. It's so hot today.
I know, right? I can't wait to get home and turn on the fan.
Great response. Now my turn. This rain is ridiculous.
Tell me about it. I forgot my umbrella and got completely soaked.
Perfect. You agreed, then added your own experience. That's exactly how to keep a conversation flowing.
And remember, for nice weather, you can use words like beautiful or gorgeous. For bad weather, try awful or terrible. What a gorgeous day. The weather is just awful today. What terrible rain we're having.
Review what we learned today. Wow, we covered so much today. Let's review. Asking about weather. How's the weather? What's the weather like? Temperature words. Hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing. Sky words. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, pouring, windy, snowy. Changeable weather. 4 seasons in one day. Unpredictable, supposed to. Seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, fall, winter. Expressions. Under the weather. Every cloud has a silver lining. Come rain or shine, breaking the ice. Small talk. Nice day, isn't it? Crazy weather, huh?
Your homework this week. Here's your homework. And don't worry, it's easy and fun. Task 1. Every morning this week, describe the weather out loud in English using at least one temperature word and one sky word. Task 2. Try starting a real conversation with a comment about the weather, with a friend, neighbor, or even a shop assistant. Task 3. Use one of the expressions we learned. Under the weather, every cloud has a silver lining, come rain or shine, breaking the ice, in a sentence about your own life.
Remember, you don't need to remember everything today. Just pick 1 or 2 phrases and practice them this week.
Learning a language isn't a race, it's a journey. And every day you practice, you get a little better.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes, so don't be afraid to try.
Thanks so much for listening to Universal English Learners today. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who's learning English too.
And let us know in the comments, what's the weather like where you are right now?
Until next time, keep practicing and
Stay dry if it's raining, stay cool if it's hot.
goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.